So let's start with the programming part. As usual, our first statement would be including a header file avr.h. We are not going to use any delay function. Let's declare port C as an input and port C as an output. We are going to use two sensors, so we are going to declare two variable. There are two sensors, one on the left and one on the right, so we are going to declare as left sensor, right sensor. Let's see our flowchart first. In the infinite loop, we have to take a reading from both the sensor and check if both the sensor sees black, then stop. Only left sensor sees the black, then left, and if only the right sensor sees black, then right. If the sensor is on the black surface, it will send 0 to the microcontroller. The last as we are using two sensors, we have total 4 different possibility. 3 we have utilized. For the fourth condition, that means 1 robot should move forward. So first we will take input and put it in our variable. Right sensor equal to pin C 0P 10. Then we will use our checking statement that we do by using a if else statement. As there are multiple checking, we are going to use a nested if condition. So if both the sensors is black, then robot should stop. So pin C0 is a 0, means left sensor is not seeing any obstacle. Sorry, it's on the black surface. And RH should be 0 0. RH should also be 0. So if both the sensor is on the black surface, that means both the sensor will send 0. Here pin C0 is 0 and pin C1, that is right sensor, is also 0. Then our robot should stop. So we'll send value, write a value to our port T register with 8 times 0. So if this condition does not satisfy, it will move on to the next checking statement, that is if only left sensor sees the black. So we will write else if only left sensor sees the black, that means only left sensor means pin C0 should be 0 and it should be 1. Then our robot should turn left. To move our robot turn left, we should write 1010 at the higher nibble. This statement makes our robot to turn left. So if this condition is not satisfied, means maybe some other sensor is maybe right sensor is on the black surface or left sensor is on the white surface, we will check we will make another condition, check if the right sensor sees the black or not. So again, else if wait a second, we will write it here left. Then again else if statement. If only right sensor sees black, means right sensor is sending 0 and left sensor will be on the white surface, then robot should turn right. The way to do this is by writing 0101 onto the upper nibble of port D. Okay, if these three conditions are not satisfied, then that means both the sensor is on the white surface. So we'll put in that condition else. Robot should move forward. So port D equal to 0P 100100 semicolon, move forward. Okay, so we have written converted this flow chart into C language code. Everything looks fine to me. Let's build our code. No error or any warning, so our code successfully compiled without any syntax error. Output would have been generated. Okay, so we'll upload our hex code to the microcontroller.